ya kene ka rai la shim ha ka jingalang ka blalong ha ka singbalang jong te yo ya ka blalum ket ki da uba rowel ling do ha ring kat ka jing don lang ki khlieh nongsynshar na ka hima milim khairim nong khlau sora langrin bat maharam ha ka bai de ba kene ka sarkar dangshan gara thong ya kene ka committee ban bisar bnya ya ka meghlaya benami Transaction Prohibition Act 1980 banthau ya tenancy verification bill kene ka committee ka lalong kawai na pleng ki lightly ki committee bala thong dak sarkar ban pun khre ik kendon an ba perking khanang ban te la kam ya ka jingwan tu ka thep ki bajalla bat men der sha ki jalla meglayam nalor ka tala ya thuru ba kene ka commission ka la khot tang ya kin rutli ki hima kat ba ka jing sisa ki don pat hadun ran photli ki hima tang hang ni rilom khasi ba jantia
Kani khlieh bnai Transaction Prohibition Act 1980 was passed and received the President's assent on the 13th October 1980. And kajingkali kajongai ki kalong why go to the President for assent? Because this is a state government bill, the governor's assent is enough. Tenangta na kadawru ang tu ba the CM had no information whatsoever about this. Nangta and this letter. The letter number POL 161 2012 part 175 dated Shillong the 8th December 2014.
Letter by whom?
Yes, letters are from the khlieh government political department was received at the CM's office on the 10th of December this year. So the matter to discuss the meeting to discuss this matter relating to this act, kamut pa ki schedule yaka today. Kamut ngapeni hang tu ba, even though we are grateful, but we are asked to participate in this meeting, then we have not studied this. This act we have not studied. How can we form our worthwhile opinion on this matter in a very short period of time? And the act also was not placed in the public domain or subjected to the public debate. Actually, the act should have been debated by the public at least 2 months times before being tabled in the house. Halal kata ka nongrim te nakaliang jungi ngila request ba that they should give us time, so if they really want our voices to be heard.
When is the next meeting?
The next meeting kimpat fix yaka appointed yaka date reiki ong yengi ba kila ai portion. Te nakaliang ka junga ngala spun iba yaka ngaong ba the most important part of this act ngong was missing now. Kata ka preamble aga jisha ki simpor bhaban juba ya kata ngas ong iki ba ka preamble tanga ong iki ba kindi ki ong nga ba kani ka preamble ngong I'm not satisfied with what you said and what was written here. Ong namar ba ngong lada define nga ka preamble ngala aban ong ba mila aban ayu namar without that preamble how can we understand the mind of the government in proposing the act? Preamble ka statement of intent declaring the purport or the necessity of the act. So without that, how can you understand the mind of the government?
That is missing.
Yes, that is missing.